Good afternoon, everyone. My group and I did a market analysis on Cheers Singapore. Today, we'll be sharing with you some of the challenges faced by them, as well as offering some recommendations of our own on how to help them optimize revenue. Cheers is a local convenience store founded in 1998 under NTUC FairPrice. To date, they have over 160 outlets island-wide, and they offer a variety of food and services to consumers. The infographics that we have created, we will be sharing with you what kind of services do Cheers provide, what differentiates Cheers from their competitors, the strategy Cheers adopted, and who exactly are their competitors, as well as their consumer purchase journey. Cheers offer a variety of novelty and essential services. By offering such a large range of services, this allows consumers to not only see Cheers as simply a convenience store, but also a place to run daily errands, from withdrawing cash from the ATM, paying off bills, topping up of cash cards, to even dropping off mail at Cheers. So what makes Cheers stand out? They offer exclusive food and pastries such as delifrance and polar puffs. They have cheaper food and drinks compared to their competitors. They have a larger variety of ready-to-eat meals as well. So, all this not only allows Cheers to stand out from their competitors, but also allows them to differentiate themselves in terms of the food they provide to their customers. So what are some of the strategies that Cheers undertook when building their business model? They perform market analysis, which allows them to gather enough data to segment and identify their target markets. This also allowed them to run specific promotions and also keep up with new and up-and-coming trends and release products on those items. They also fought for exclusive brand deals, which allows them to set themselves apart from their competitors. So who exactly are their competitors? First up, we have 7-Eleven, which is Cheers' biggest competitor, and by no exaggeration, the largest convenience store chain in the world. They have an approximate 398 outlets in Singapore. Next up, we have Buzz, whose business model is focused on meeting the fast-paced lifestyle of Singaporeans, and they have an approximate of 44 outlets island-wide. Last but not least, we have Howmart, which is a halal-based concept convenience store, and their strategy is to readily open and close outlets if they are not performing well, and they have an approximate of 45 outlets island-wide.
This part is showing about consumer purchasing journey map. We have concluded 5 points of them. Let me introduce to you. First is awareness. The customer can be achieved by online social media platform to get the promotions. Second one is the consideration. Customer can compare the price with other stores. Customer will get the promotion and considers as well. The third one is service. They have different type of service available at the store. Customer might end up purchasing up product during their time there. The next one is loyalty. Through the promotions, Cheers reaches out to a lot of new customers. About old customers, they also do by offering loyalty points for make customer to repeat more purchases. The last one is purchase. Customer decided by themselves what they want to buy. Most of them buy in stores and others can through online delivery apps like Grab, Foodpanda. This page is showing off the challenges faced by Cheers. Cheers doesn't have a strong market presence. Normally, the consumer rarely distinguish between convenience store brands. They always choose the nearest one. Their online brand presence is insufficient.
The three characteristics of the digital business model are e-retailer sales value and online purchase. E-retailers use the internet to conduct online shopping and generate value from sellers. In this efficient age, online shopping has become people's first choice. Consumers purchase a more efficient and convenient way of life. Digital business model of commerce for consumers to sell time to provide convenience. automation of e-retailers has increased operational efficiency. Compared to a traditional retail store, e-retailers reduce the cost of doing business for companies. For example, there is no need to pay a lot of store rent and labor cost. At the same time, it also reduces the risk of enterprise marketing. The following is a comparison of different operations between retail stores and e-retail. There are three most different ones in research, finance, and organization. When conducting commodity object research, retail store is based on the seller clerk, promotion or free purchase. E-retail is to conduct big data analysis and finally make product navigation. Serve the digital search engine of consumers. Finally, retail stores have higher startup costs. Retail stores need to manage and train employees, and e-retail is checked with the digital system of technology. E-retail automation is digital business model, employees operational efficiency.
The case study that we choose for this business model is Hema Market. Hema Market was launched in 2015 under Alibaba. It is a new form of e-commerce experience and retail stores which can be accessed easily through both online and offline platforms. One of their key features for online platform will definitely be their own mobile applications. Customers can use the mobile applications in-store to scan on code provided on the products and find out more information such as providing new recipes ideas. Customers can also directly order products through the app and get it delivered within 30 minutes if they are living nearby. Payment method provided in stores will be facial recognition and smartphone. With its strong online and offline business operation, logistics, supply chain management, and customer service, it has now expanded to 65 stores in China. As compared to the traditional retail business, which is mainly providing customers products based on their market research done, Hema Market is different. Their business model is known as New Retail, which view customers as the co-creators as they provide real-time feedback and giving big data analysis. Big data analysis and real-time feedback is gathered so that they can adjust their products and suits the market's needs and wants. If choice is to implement this method, they will need to develop an interconnected network binding with supply chain in order to have accurate and personalized operation to satisfy the consumer's needs. In this case, customers will be attracted to this type of new shopping experience and their revenue will increase by then.
Okay, this page is talking about implementing digital marketing tools. How do they manage the customer relationship and maintaining customer relationship? By implementing the correct digital marketing tools and strategies, companies will be able to receive better response rate from their promotion campaigns, currently understand what are the customers' needs, and behaviors allow better implementation of digital marketing tools.
Regarding online marketing, there are two types of platform sales. The first is Twitter, which has about 313 active users every month. From the statistic below, it can be seen that the use of Twitter by brand can greatly increase brand awareness. At the same time, it has a good effect on increasing traffic, engaging and exciting activities, and finding a new potential customers, the reviews, like and impressions. Continuing to reach 1 billion monthly active users of Instagram in January 2020. Many another brands use Instagram for digital marketing. According to the statistic, most users are in the age range of 25 to 34. Those people are also have a good advertising target group. They have a lot of purchasing power and young people are more attracted to fashionable products and food. It is a good means to promotion. to achieve to about 2 platform sales, promotion can bring the benefits to the brand respectively. Using those 2 platforms can have a more interaction with customer and publish some interesting articles to get more traffic. For example, invite stars to in-stores or promote on your one account. We can also give some discount on social platform and fixed time. For example, customers can get discounts as long as they like or follow.